Welcome back. We return with more election-related news updates. Remember, Amethi Rai Bareilly are going to be voting on the 20th of May. Last leg of campaigning, if one may say. And in that sense, we're seeing a lot of political reactions coming in as well. The Prime Minister also, interestingly, is campaigning in Uttar Pradesh, different parts of Uttar Pradesh today. And he's launched yet another attack on Rahul Gandhi. He says, just like Amethi, Rahul Gandhi will lose Rai Bareilly as well. In fact, said that the alliance will collapse after the 4th of June and also said that the Shehzadas have already booked their tickets for their visit abroad. First up, listen in.
भारत आत्मनिर्भर अपने आप बन जाएंगे और कोई पूछता है तो कैसे, तो बोले खटाखट खटाखट। ये सोचते हैं नए हाईवे अपने आप बन जाएंगे और कोई पूछे कैसे, अरे छोड़ो यार खटाखट खटाखट। ये सोचते हैं भारत से गरीबी दूर हो जाएगी, कोई पूछे कैसे, तो बोले खटाखट खटाखट। अरे कोई इनके दिमाग को भी जरा बता दो कि अब रायबरेली की जनता भी खटाखट 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 भेजेगी घर। अमेठी से गए, रायबरेली से भी जाएंगे। साथियों, देश चलाना सोने की चमट लेकर के पैदा हुए बच्चों का खेल नहीं है। आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा, क्योंकि 4 जून के बाद मोदी सरकार तो बनेगी ही बनेगी। देश की जनता मोदी सरकार तो बनाएगी बनाएगी, लेकिन इतना भर नहीं, और भी बहुत कुछ होने वाला है। क्या होगा मैं बताऊं? 4 जून के बाद मोदी सरकार बनेगी तो आपको पता है, और भी बहुत कुछ होगा। बताओ क्या होगा? बताओ। ये इंडी गठबंधन टूट करके बिखर जाएगा, खटाखट खटाखट। पराजय के बाद बलि के बकरे को खोजा जाएगा, खटाखट खटाखट। और शहजादे, चाहे वो लखनऊ वाले शहजादे हो या दिल्ली वाले, ये शहजादे गर्मी की छुट्टियों पर विदेश निकल जाएंगे, खटाखट खटाखट। किसी ने तो मुझे कहा कि शायद वो टिकट बुक कराने की सूचना भी दे दी है।
CNN News 18's Aman Sharma joins us on the phone line. Aman, while Rahul Gandhi may have come out to offer an explanation that since Rai Bareilly is his family's Karam Bhumi, he did not want to abandon it, and that's why he chose this constituency. The BJP continues to use it as the biggest weapon against the Congress in Uttar Pradesh in battleground UP.
Well, absolutely, Christine. And, the Prime Minister speaking today, launching this blistering attack on Rahul Gandhi, also exposes, how the BJP has been trying to wrest back Rai Bareilly. There has been a consistent effort by the BJP. Dinesh Pratap Singh, the candidate who has been put up against Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Amit Shah has campaigned for him. Mr. Amit Shah is even doing micromanagement in Rai Bareilly, poll micromanagement, so that the way is paved for a shock defeat of Rahul Gandhi in Rai Bareilly. The Prime Minister had earlier also predicted that once the election in Wayanad is over, Rahul Gandhi will not contest from Amethi. Another safe seat will be searched for Rahul Gandhi. That is exactly what happened. We also saw how Rahul Gandhi filed his nomination from Rai Bareilly virtually at the last moment. Total suspense was built for it, and finally when he came to file his nomination from Rai Bareilly, no India Alliance partner was also present there. Even Akhilesh Yadav did not reach Rai Bareilly while Mr. Rahul Gandhi was filing his nomination. Now we are seeing that this complete concerted effort by the BJP to wrest back Raebareli from the Congress party. We have Mr. Amit Shah campaigning there. The Prime Minister has now spoken on it. Tomorrow, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav are having a joint rally in Amethi, and this will be the first time that Rahul Gandhi will be visiting Amethi after a long time in this election season. But this abandonment of Amethi by Rahul Gandhi in these elections is something that the BJP is citing to show that the confidence in the Congress camp is very, very low. The Prime Minister is now even saying that after 4th June, both Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav will be leaving for holidays abroad, and unke bas ka nahi hai, the term that PM has used, that they can run the country. The Prime Minister clearly saying that the India alliance will break after June 4th, and they are already searching for somebody to lay the blame on. I think it's an apparent reference to Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president. And this campaign by the BJP in Amethi and Raebareli, both with all the top BJP leadership throwing their weight behind Smriti Irani and Dinesh Pratap Singh, has made the fight in both these seats very, very interesting, with just a few days left for these states, for both the seats to poll in the 5th phase of the elections.
Okay, so alongside Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav has also been labelled Shehzada by the Prime Minister this election season. Many thanks, Aman, for joining us with the latest. We are into a very short break with that. Lots more lined up on the other side. We'll be right back.